Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to change your Microsoft 365 subscription to the Classic plan. You may have received an email message saying that you will be automatically enrolled in the expensive Copilot plan. So I'm based in Canada, so my plan will be 115 Canadian dollars per year instead of the $79 per year. But you can switch to the Classic plan. Let me show you how. So I'm logged into my Microsoft account. Go to the subscription section and then click on Manage. You'll see these options here. Click on Cancel Subscription. It will redirect you to this page. Scroll down and you'll see the Classic plan here. Click on Switch Plan. You'll see this pop up. Then enter your payment details here and then click on Subscribe. You'll get a confirmation, and then you can click on Back to Subscription. And as you can see here, it's been switched. You'll also get an email confirmation message, but that's pretty much it. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.